Alright, so we're at the Wilson Creek Winery, and we're about to give you guys a review and a tour. Tell you guys what we think about this winery here in Temecula Valley. We just parked. There's vineyards all around us. This is a huge parking lot. It's definitely the biggest winery I've seen here. See if it's good. Wow, it's popping in here. This place is huge, and there's probably like quadruple the people in here as the other wineries. Wow, it's like a bar for wine. So basically, this winery is a little bit different than the other one. I guess this is like the biggest and most touristy winery. There's so many people here. This place is huge. It looks beautiful, and I'm gonna show you the grounds in a sec. Also, we're not tasting here. We just got a bottle because we tasted at the other one. So yeah, we're just gonna enjoy this bottle, and I'm gonna show you guys the rest of the wine grounds. But so far, everything looks great here. The vibe is nice. A lot of families, couples here. It's really cool. Go ahead.
Alright, here we go.
It's a vibe right here.
It is a vibe. It's nice, huh?
Perfect weather.
Yeah, it's beautiful out here.
You better be even force there, buddy.
What's up?
You better be even force.
They'll be even.
You got twist.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, Alex is gonna teach us how to drink this wine. How do we do it, Alex?
You gotta do spins with your fingers.
You gotta do spins with your fingers. It's a wine connoisseur right here.
You gotta check for the body.
Check for the body.
Make sure
Let's
the sugar's
see.
there.
Make sure the sugar's there.
Take a deep breath.
Right here.
Smell for
Right
flavor.
Smell for flavor.
Take a small sip.
Hold on, we got cheers first. You forgot.
No, you don't.
Salud.
Cheers.
Right here.
Cheers.
Cheers. Boom. Pinky's up.
That's pretty good.
Get some air in. Oh my goodness.
What's this?
Really fucking good. What do you think? I like that a lot.
So this is Cab Zinfandel. What do you think about this wine, Alex?
I have to take a little more sip.
A little more sip? Alright. I'll give you my best wine connoisseur impression. Let me see. You gotta sniff it through your nose. Nice and fragrant. Pretty sweet. A little bit of bitterness. It's dry, sweet, really good. It's the Cab Sauvignon Zinfandel. 53% Cab Sauv, 47 Zinfandel. It's amazing. So this is a sangria slushy with the red wine topping.
Yeah, it's a float.
Wow.
Yeah, it's like a root beer float. But
Oh, so it's basically like all called root beer float. So they have slushies out here in Wilson Creek, guys. Apparently this is like what you got to get here too. Let's taste it.
This is a good place to take your white girl date too.
Wow. Alex is right. This is dangerous because it's really delicious and sweet.
Is it
It's really hot out here right now. How many degrees is it? It's like 105 degrees here.
96?
96? Oh, it's at 105 in this car.
Oh, did it?
96 degrees.
That's wrong.
I'm
this is really cold.
85 right now.
Tastes like berries. This is dangerous because it's so good. Alright, so we're on our last glass of wine from our bottle. So now we're going to walk through the vineyards and hopefully find a great place for us to take a photo and a thumbnail for you guys. Oh, we found it right here.
Sam in the middle.
So yeah, I really like this winery. Wilson Creek because they have the biggest estate. There's so much land around here.
There is.
So many vineyards, so many areas to take really cool pictures. And now we're basically just taking a romantic stroll, right guys?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, this is a great place to take a date. There's also food here. It's like a little restaurant. But we just came here for the wine and the sangria slushies. To go, oh wow, there's more land over here, look.
Wait, can we go here?
So yeah, we're just gonna take a little walk.
There though, look at they're trying to dance and make out and shit, so we can't.
So yeah, I guess we're right smack in the middle of the vineyards, guys. I'm about to grab a grape and eat it. So we're inside the estate now, and I'm guessing this is where they make all their wines.
It's a good spot right here.
Yeah, it is.
You got couches, bro. What else you got couches?
So we're up here after our walk at the patio. It looks really nice. You can see all the vineyards back there. You can see all the people down there drinking as well. Like I said, this is the biggest estate we've been to. And now we're just gonna hang out right here in this patio and chill. So if you guys like this video, please like it, comment what's your favorite wine, and subscribe to Dan vs. World for more content.
That's right. Dan
Let's do
vs.
it.
World.
Yep.